My grandfather and nan actually used to manage their own portfolios and managed to live off that for most of their life. And my nan passed away along with my grandfather, and because my mother actually has inherited most of that portfolio, I want to be able to manage that for her, and because I want her to be able to live off that later on and not have to worry about money. So that's pretty much the main reason for doing it. It just so happens that now I'll be able to use it for me as well, which is pretty exciting really. I didn't think it was going to turn out like that. Yeah, I definitely believe it's psychology. I also believe that there is a lot of people out there that have the misconception that you need to sort of have that inside knowledge, which I've only just learnt recently, that inside knowledge is actually more of a steer than anything. And all the stuff that's in the media isn't necessarily true. It will drive the market, but what we actually get taught is how to predict what people are going to do as opposed to following what's happening. I would say that they'd be crazy not to give it a go. It's only a small amount of money compared to what you'll actually gain out of it. And it sounds like a lot of money at the start, and it did sound like a lot of money to me just to do the course, but now that I'm through it, I can see the potential and it will easily pay for itself. Easily.